All right, here is a time lapse of this nice little bright star you see there first thing this morning at about 4:08. Venus rose, and it really was visible this morning in that crystal clear sky. And then a gorgeous sunrise followed that. What a beautiful start to our November, a beautiful start to our work week, and the beautiful weather continues into your evening right now as we take a look at Hector. Crystal clear skies, 61 degrees. Wind is under 10 miles per hour and really has been pretty agreeable for most of the day. Where you see the yellow shades, we have 60s heading into our early evening hours, and we have 50s across central and northwest Minnesota. A 57-degree reading this hour in Thief River Falls. There's that 3-mile-per-hour wind in Jamestown, 10 miles per hour in Bemidji, and the satellite shows a few clouds drifting towards the Great Lakes. Other than that, our entire region in the Dakotas and much of western Minnesota, crystal clear as far as weather concerns go tonight. The only one is going to be how fast we cool, and by the 10 o'clock hour, we'll be seeing temperatures slip down through the 40s. So this evening, that sun sets a little earlier than we're accustomed to. Our temperatures will be on the cool side as you're out and about, but not cold. And overnight, I expect mild overnight temperatures and light winds. Now, we'll cool off quickly thanks to the clear skies, but again, we start our day with temperatures in the 30s and near 40 degrees as we head out to the west. So Jamestown, a little bit of a west breeze and low 40s there to start your day. In Bemidji and in Baudette, we're talking mid to upper 30s in central parts of Minnesota. Watch as things warm up as we go towards midday hours. Now, if you're heading out to the polls in the morning hours, we're going to have rapidly rising temperatures. And temperatures will already be in the mid-50s for many of us as we're heading out to polls in the midday hour. The wind only around 10 to 15 miles per hour, and it'll be most strong in our western counties. A fairly quiet day wind-wise off to the east. Temperatures in the afternoon will peak in the 60s where you see these yellow shades, and in the 50s once again. So very similar to what we saw for today across our region. We may warm a couple of degrees better tomorrow is my thoughts in our western counties, and we stay in those mid-50s for much of central Minnesota. Whether you're voting in the morning or afternoon, weather really does not look to be a factor, and nary a cloud to be seen across the region for the second day in a row. So in Fargo-Moorhead, if you're heading to the polls first thing in the morning, expect temperatures near 40 degrees. Then as we go towards midday, we'll be rapidly rising up through the 50s and nestling into those lower 60s for the afternoon with crystal clear skies. If you are going when the polls close in Fargo at 7, expect temperatures to be falling back into the upper 40s. A snapshot of your hometown forecast at 4 o'clock, mid-50s in northeast North Dakota, still hovering near 60 though in southeast North Dakota. Lakes country into the Northland, low to mid-50s with wind that'll generally be 15 miles per hour or less. Linda Johnson capturing a view from the farm. Just beautiful out there at Blanchard as we saw clouds mingling with the colorful setting sun. We talked about Election Day, very pleasant, and we continue to be pleasant into our Wednesday with mid-60s. The warmest days, Thursday and Friday, so the entire work week will bring temperatures very lovely, and I think we have a shot at some 70-degree readings both Thursday and Friday in our western counties. Big changes here, Callie, Saturday and for Sunday. A storm system that looks very strong on all of our models will be making its way through. Right now it looks like our area in western Minnesota and eastern North Dakota will be on the warm side of the system. That means some rain before it changes to snow. But our western counties in North Dakota could see significant wind and snow from this system. So the track will be important. We'll keep you advised throughout the remainder of the work week. Until then, get out and enjoy.
Thanks so much, Hutch. Yeah, definitely get out there. It's beautiful outside.